Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Season's greetings, happy holidays. Thank you guys for your support so far, your super thanks. Please help me get to my full monetization threshold by watching all my videos to the end so that I can be able to get amazing tools, gadgets, and stuff to make for you guys on this channel. So we know it's the holiday season and the weather is getting cold. So we need our infinity scarf to be able to, walk in this weather in style. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it. And I'm going to be giving you guys the exact measurements you need to make this particular one I made. And if you want it to be able to tie twice around your head. And guys, my fabric is also cotton. So you hardly see people using cotton to make it. So I decided to try it out and it worked. Let's just get into this. And guys, this is what it looks like. This is the infinity scarf. And yes, you can go in style in the two sides, like the two ways basically. And like I wrote earlier, if you want it to go around your head twice, you need to use the measurements that I recommended. But if you want it to be able to fit like an off-shoulder design like this one, you're going to need to use my measurements. And guys, that's it for this video. If you love it, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so far for your super thanks. Please help me get to my full monetization threshold so that I can be able to get amazing tools, materials for this channel so that I can be able to make amazing DIY projects for you guys. If you try it out as well, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work to all my growing followers and here on YouTube as well. So guys, season's greetings, happy holidays, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.